At Melling Engineered Aluminum Castings, we pride ourselves on being a maker of complex parts. Our slogan is, we want to be the complex producer of heavily cored, thin-walled, highly engineered aluminum castings ranging from ounces to 40 pounds. Sinto, with their support and innovative technology, has done nothing but bolster our ability to produce highly complex castings. Coming up on 2020, our 2024 machine, the FBN, which our new machine, the FBMX, replaced, was getting tired, and we were in the market for a new machine. Good foundermen, we still did our research and looked around, and we just could not really find anything that offered the type of process that the FBMX offers. They also have always kind of been on the cutting edge, which we like to be as well.
This is the first in the U.S.
The machine that the FBMX replaced was an over-under, so it blows sand from the bottom and from the top, and then it'll squeeze and push the mold out. Rather than conventional, like an FBO, it's a side blow, so it's going to blow the sand in from the side of the flask. If you've got complicated pattern geometries, big impressions, deep draws, those side blows can be limiting.
Sinto service team has been very helpful. You get responses most day of, and then if they got to contact Japan, you get a response the next morning.
Also, we're very aware that Sinto is the only provider that has aeration technology, so we're essentially fluidizing the sand, and that allows it to defy that gravity even better, right? So we're going to fluidize it, fill that mold impression more effectively.
Sinto Smart Foundry collects all of the data and allows it to be analyzed in one location.
You can see the live movements of the hydraulic cylinders, you can see the pressure outputs, you can see the voltage outputs, you can see the aeration data for each mold. You can see if you're running sand at a higher compactability than you should, or a lower compactability than you should. Being able to monitor the machine move for every single mold, for every cycle, is very beneficial when it comes to production and quality.
We've seen tremendous improvement in the quality of our castings, not only in surface finish, but we've seen a reduction in sand inclusion, scrap.
And we can pretty much tell on a moment's notice if something's awry and catch problems before they become a bigger problem. Our relationship with Sinto has been strong and has only gotten stronger in the last 2 years since putting this new machine in. It's been a great transaction, honestly, and we couldn't be happier with the machine.